Governor Steve Bullock issued a ban on flavored vaping products in an attempt to curb underage vaping numbers during what state officials are calling a public health emergency. A Ravalli County District Court judge temporarily blocked the ban. Now, vape shop owners in the state are facing off. MTN's Connor McCauley was in the courtroom during arguments today.
Day 2 of the flavored vape ban injunction hearing wrapped up in Ravalli County District Court Friday afternoon. While the state did call on one more witness to provide expert testimony, most of the day's attention was centered around closing arguments from both sides.
The petitioners respectfully pray to this court to grant an injunction on the emergency rules and maintain the status quo during the pendency of this litigation.
Follow the rules in MAPA and determine whether the agency followed the right process. We think if you do that, it's clear. This is exactly the kind of public health authority that the Montana legislature anticipated.
Judge Jennifer Lint issued the initial block of the ban, and the injunction would just extend that until the legality of the ban could actually be taken to court for the entire legal process.
Preliminary injunction, we're not going to the final trial on its merits. We're just trying to decide right now, the court's trying to decide right now whether to let the ban go through or hold back on the ban until the parties could get together, conduct discovery, and go through the entire litigation process.
The question today is, while this case goes on and while the judge reaches a final decision, is our baseline going to be one where people can still access these products that youth overwhelmingly prefer and that we know are dangerous, or is the baseline going to be that only adults can access non-flavored products that youth don't prefer? We urge the second.
Judge Jennifer Lint will now take this under advisement and is expected to have a response in the upcoming weeks. Now, to give you an idea of how important and complex this hearing was, attorneys tell us that a normal petition for injunction is a quick matter that might only take an hour. This one took 2 days. In Ravalli County, Connor McCauley, MTN News.
Vape shop owners say that if the ban was to go into effect, they would be out of business before the case even got to court. State officials say with a recent death in Montana, they're attempting to prevent any more in the future.